how insurance companies use fear and tactics to take advantage of car accident injury victims. I'm a personal injury lawyer, and I can tell you that people are taken advantage of every single day by car accident insurance companies. For them, it's all about the bottom line. It's about saving money. It's about profits and shareholder value, not about you. You have to look after yourself or have a personal injury lawyer help you advance your claim. So let's talk a little bit about those tactics that they use. A lot of it comes in the early stages after a car accident. The insurance company will call you on the phone, say, "How you doing?" It'll be a good tone. They'll say they represent the at-fault driver, and they'll ask you, "What are your injuries?" And of course, this is the opportunity where so many people go south with their claims. They forget the importance of this phone call. They forget that it's a recorded phone call and that those notes become part of the file. They lock in what the insurance company thinks about your claim for the entire life of the claim, unless there's a lot of work to overcome that notion. So the insurance company calls you, they ask about your injuries, and you say, "Oh, my neck hurts. I was sore, I wasn't hit that hard, I didn't go to the hospital, I didn't need an ambulance," nothing like that. Classic Atlantic Canadian way of communicating. It's not about fault, it's not about blame. We don't try to make a big deal of everything, and ultimately we just want to move on with our day. And that's exactly what the insurance company wants you to do. They have a understanding of your injuries as minor, as insignificant, as not important, as expected to get better. And I'm here to tell you that not all injuries do get better. I have so many clients who are shocked to learn that they have what they think are mild injuries, but they don't go away. They go to treatment, they go to massage, they go to physio, they go see the chiropractor, they see their doctor, they try pain medications, but they don't get better. They need ongoing treatment to sustain a lesser level of function than they had before the accident. They didn't expect to be that way, but that's where they are. Some of my clients, we have to do a lot of work to explain to the insurance company that when my client talked to you the first time, before they hired me, they didn't know what their injuries really were. They didn't know how hurt they really were. So don't fall victim to the tactic that they use by talking to you nicely and being conversational. Don't take that as a cue to minimize your injuries. They want you to say that. They want you to minimize the impact. So don't do it. Look out for yourself, look after the long term, and remember, you're not a doctor, so leave it in the hands of medical professionals. The other important piece and the trick that they use is they make you feel like you're compelled to talk to them, that you're compelled to explain and justify how you feel and what your claim is worth. And I'll be the first to tell you, the insurance adjusters are not judges. They don't control anything. They're just a person at an insurance company that isn't working for you. They're trying to save their money. They're not working for you. You are a part of a spreadsheet to them. You are a number associated with a claim, an incident. But you have to look after your life. You have to look after what's important to you, friends, families, activities, work, your future. So don't feel compelled to talk to the insurance company. Don't feel compelled to defend how you feel to the insurance company. If you're feeling that friction, if you're feeling frustration, if you feel like they're not listening to you, they're not hearing your loss and understanding that, and they're not going to pay for that, what you really feel, what you really deserve, don't discuss it with them further. You need to consider legal counsel to help you. As a personal injury lawyer, I represent car accident victims every day. I help these people navigate a complex system that's stacked against them, a system where they're expected to be better even when they're not, a system that isn't set up to compensate people fairly. It's about quick fixes, it's about settlements, it's about the least amount of money. And that's not fair for my clients, and that's not what we do. At Nova Injury Law, we are all about building solid claims that are backed by evidence, medical evidence, great legal theory, and backed by a legal opinion from somebody who cares about how you're feeling and how important this claim is to you in your future. We defend people from the tactics and the tricks because we know them, we see them. If you have questions about a claim, questions about the insurance company and what they're up to, what they're really getting at, and how it can impact your rights, give us a call. My name's Jeff Mitchell. I'm the owner of Nova Injury Law. We're here to help car accident injury victims. We're here to educate and inform and help you make good decisions about what to do next. So reach out and we'll give you every answer you need. Take care.